Good day everyone. Today, we are presenting our final project entitled Anime Hub, which is an anime streaming and merchandise platform. So ano nga ba yung purpose ng database natin? The main purpose of this database is to organize anime content, manage users and subscriptions, and handle merchandise orders efficiently in one system. So let's proceed with the main entities and the relationships. Anime Hub is built with 10 main entities. So unahin natin si users. Users stores information about registered users of the platform. So ito yung context niya, yung user ID, which is our primary key, username, email, and the date joined. Then proceed tayo kay subscription. Si subscription naman, it manage the subscription plans associated with the users. Tapos yung contents natin dito is subscription ID with the primary key, plan type, price, and the foreign key with the user ID galing do sa users table natin. Okay? So proceed tayo dito kay studio. It contains details about the animation studios that produce anime series. So ito yung mga contents niya. We have the primary key, which is the studio ID, then the studio name and the country it associates with. Tapos proceed tayo kay episodes. Episodes list all the episodes belonging to a specific anime. We have the primary key here, which is the episode ID. Episode title naman for our attributes, and duration, and for our foreign key we have the anime ID. Then let's proceed dito naman sa anime series. So yung anime series naman natin, it stores information about each anime title available on the platform. We have the primary key here with the anime ID, title, genre, release year, and the foreign key of studio ID. Now for our voice actors naman. Voice actors entities stores information about voice actors involved in anime productions. In voice actors table, we have primary key, which is the actor ID, the actor name, and the gender of the voice actor. Then let's proceed with the characters naman. Characters records anime characters and links them to their anime series and voice actors. We have our primary key here, which is the character ID, character name, then the foreign key with the anime ID, and foreign key for the actor ID. Now, let's proceed for the merchandise table naman. Merchandise table contains all the anime related products available for purchase. It contains primary key of merch ID, item name, price, and stock. Now let's proceed to the orders entity. Orders stores information about the user's purchases, including order, date, and quantity. Now, for the orders entity, we have our primary key, which is the order ID, foreign key with the user ID, and merch ID. Quantity, order date, and for our order details naman, it provides detailed records of item included in each order. Order details contains the primary key, order detail ID, quantity, a foreign key with the name order ID, and foreign key with the merch ID.
This is our entity relationship diagram using cross-put notation. Here are the notations we use for each entity. A user is associated with one and only one subscription. A subscription is associated with 0 or 1 user. A studio can handle one or many anime series. An anime series can be handled by one or many studio. An anime series can have one or many episodes. An episode must belong to one and only one anime series. An anime series can have one or many characters. A character can have one or many anime series. A voice actor can voice one or many characters. A character can be voiced by one or many voice actors. A user can place 0 or many orders. An order must be placed by one and only one user. A merchandise item can have zero or many orders. An order can have by one or many merchandise items. An order can have one or many order details. An order detail must belong to one and only one order. The data dictionary explains the structure of each table in the database. Number 1. Users. The users table stores basic information about registered users. User ID is an integer used as the primary key to uniquely identify each user. Username stores the display name of the user on the platform. Email records the user's email address for communication and login purposes. Date joined shows the date when the user registered on Anime Hub. Number 2. Subscriptions. The subscriptions table stores user subscription details. Subscription ID uniquely identifies each subscription record. Plan type indicates the type of subscription plan, such as basic or premium. Price stores the cost of the subscription plan. User ID is a foreign key that links the subscription to a specific user. Number 3. Studios. The studios table contains information about anime production studios. Studio ID uniquely identifies each studio. Studio name stores the name of the anime studio. Country indicates the country where the studio is based. Number 4. Anime series. The anime series table stores information about anime titles. Anime ID uniquely identifies each anime series. Title stores the name of the anime series. Genre describes the category or type of the anime. Release year records the year the anime was released. Studio ID is a foreign key that links the anime series to its producing studio. Number 5. Episodes. The episodes table stores individual episode details. Episode ID uniquely identifies each episode. Episode title stores the title of the episode. Duration indicates the length of the episode in minutes. Anime ID is a foreign key that links the episode to its anime series. Number 6. Voice actors. The voice actors table stores information about voice actors. Actor ID uniquely identifies each voice actor. Actor name stores the name of the voice actor. Gender records the gender of the voice actor. Number 7. Characters. The characters table stores anime character information. Character ID uniquely identifies each character. Character name stores the name of the character. Anime ID is a foreign key that links the character to an anime series. Actor ID is a foreign key that links the character to its voice actor. Number 8. Merchandise. The merchandise table stores anime-related products. Merch ID uniquely identifies each merchandise item. Item name stores the name of the product. Price indicates the cost of the item. Stock shows the available quantity in inventory. Number 9. Orders. The orders table records user purchases. Order ID uniquely identifies each order. User ID is a foreign key that identifies who placed the order. Merch ID is a foreign key that identifies the item ordered. Quantity records how many items were purchased. Order date stores the date the order was placed. Number 10. Order details. The order details table provides a detailed breakdown of orders. Order detail ID uniquely identifies each order detail record. Quantity specifies the number of items per order line. Order ID is a foreign key that links the record to an order. Merch ID is a foreign key that links the record to a merchandise item. How the database helps manage Anime Hub. Overall, this database helps Anime Hub by tracking users and their subscriptions, organizing anime series, episodes, characters, and studios, managing merchandise inventory, recording customer orders accurately. Because everything is connected, the system can easily retrieve information, reduce errors, and support the daily operations of an anime streaming and merchandise platform. And that concludes our presentation of the Anime Hub database. Thank you and have a great day ahead.